Hey guys, it's Tuesday, April 28th, and I am here today with our math lesson for today. So yesterday, everyone should have completed the pretest for measuring with a ruler and a thermometer, and today we're going to continue with how to measure with a ruler. So I'm going to go over some things on this video, and then I also posted a link to a YouTube video that's not mine that also explains how to measure with a ruler. So this is an IXL link that I posted for you guys. It's level F N.1 measuring using an inch ruler. So you will get a question, something like this: move the ruler to measure the length of the nail to the nearest inch. So then if you click on your ruler here, you can move it, okay? So then you're gonna want to line up your item with the 0 and see how close it is. So this is exactly on about 3 inches. So this says the nail is about 3 inches. Okay, and then I'm going to submit that. Okay, and now we're talking about move the ruler to measure the length of the twig to the nearest ½ inch. So now, as you can see, there's more spots on this ruler. Okay, so the ruler always starts at 0 and goes up by inches. So 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches. But a ruler is kind of just like a number line, like when we learned number lines and fractions. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 4 spots between 0 and 1, right? So I know that this is split into fourths because there's 4 spots. So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, which equals 1. We did that when we did fractions. So everything that we've done in the past is going to matter now when we're measuring with a ruler. So if I'm going to half, I know I have to cut something in half between 0 and 1, so half is going to be right here. So this would be half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, right? So I'm going to move my ruler to line it up right here with the 0, and I know that this is 2, and so this is 3, and right in the middle of that is my log, so I know it's 2.5. So how I write that as my answer is I write 2.5, right? 0.5 means half. The twig is about 2.5 inches long. Good work, it says. Okay, now this one is back to just halves and full inches, right? 0 inches, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and there's one line in the middle. So this is 0, half, 1.5, 2.5, 3. So let's put my ruler here, and I see it's about 5 inches long. So I put a 5. I want to get to one more that has a half. Okay, so move the ruler to measure the knife. Put it here at about 0. And now I know, so this is an even 4, and this is 5. So right in the middle of 4 and 5 is 4.5. So what if I did this? I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to try it. 4.5 inches long. That works too. So you can either use the fractions to say 4.5, or you can use 4.5 to say 4.5, whatever you're most comfortable doing. So what I would like you to do today is submit level F N.1 until you have at least 2 stars on it that you've mastered this, okay? I'm going to star this one here, and I'm also going to post a link. Make sure that you log into your IXL so it says your name up here on the top. So then when I look at your IXL, I know that you've did it, how many questions you've answered, how long it took you, that sort of thing. If you have questions or need help, please email me or log on to my Zoom. I will probably be available most of the day today to help you with measuring. All right, guys, thanks.